Hello, good morning students. So today we have to discuss about the displacement by using calculus method. So in our previous videos we have seen that is velocity is exactly equal to plus minus omega under root a square minus x square. So let us start to derive for displacement. So displacement, that is x. So we know displacement. The definition of velocity v is equal to dx by dt, that is derivative of displacement, is called as velocity, and the equation for velocity which we have calculate here, that is plus minus omega under root a square minus x square. Okay, so let us start to solve this. So here how we can solve this? So we can solve, that is dx upon omega under root a square minus x square is equal to, omega is as it is, so omega into dt. So dx upon under root a square minus x square is equal to omega dt. So integrating both equation, integrating on both the sides, integrating both sides, what we get? Integration of dx upon under root a square minus x square is equal to integration of omega dt. Okay, so how we can solve this equation? So we can solve this equation by using integration formula. See here, so integration of dx upon a square minus x square is equal to, omega is constant, integration of dt. Now this is standard integral, and standard integral, the formula for standard integral is integration of dx upon under root a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c, that is c stands for what? Integration constant. Okay, so this is the formula for standard integral. And another formula is for integration of dt. So integration of dt is equal to t. So this is second formula for integration of dt. Now substitute this formula here. So what we get here, instead of this sine integral, integration of dx upon under root a square minus x square, so what we put here, sine inverse of x by a plus omega is as it is dt, integration of dt, that is omega t plus alpha, where alpha stands for what? Where alpha, that is integration constant, so this is the term. Now we have to calculate the value of x. So therefore x by a is equal to, this becomes sine of omega t plus alpha. So therefore x is equal to a sine omega t plus alpha, which we have seen. So this is the equation for displacement. This is a general equation for displacement, and the displacement is a sine omega t plus alpha. Okay. when the particle starts from mean position. At mean position. So at mean position t is 0 and alpha is also 0. Okay. So at mean position small t is equal to 0 and alpha is equal to 0 because it is at equilibrium state. So therefore this equation becomes x is equal to a sin omega t plus alpha. So a sin omega multiplied by t 0 plus alpha is 0. So this becomes 0. So a sin this is 0. So x is equal to displacement also 0, x also 0. Okay. So here angle inclination we are not considering 0 here, just we have to put the value of t and x. The value of t and x will be here like this. So this becomes t, that is alpha. Here x will be 0, that is displacement will be 0 here. So therefore 0 by a is equal to sin alpha, and therefore sin alpha is equal to what? 0. So at which angle the value of sin theta is equal to 0? We know if alpha is equal to 0, because the value of sin 0 is always equal to 0. So you should remember this. Okay. So therefore our main equation is x is equal to, therefore x is equal to a sin omega t plus 0. So therefore x is equal to a sin omega t. This is the required expression when the particle is at extreme mean position. Okay. Now what happened at extreme position?